Hello all, welcome to the Wi-Fi Challenge 3 and this is going to be level advanced. So buckle up, get ready. And this one is called Never Underestimate Your Enemy, Web Strikes Back. So what is challenge 3? Well, I have actually subdivided this challenge into two mini challenges, 1 and 2, 3A, 3B, to some extent because they are related, right? The second thing is that this, on popular demand, by Josh and many other people who have written to me, will actually go on for one complete week, which would mean till next Wednesday, May 25th. And the winner will actually get to order any equipment, book, or whatever he wants, no matter how weird the gift he would like, up to a maximum of $50, including shipping from Amazon, right? The reason I kind of change the rules is, I guess, winner should decide what he wants instead of us deciding what we should give him, right? Same rules apply. You are free and actually encouraged to post your comments on this thread, to brainstorm with the community, to tell people what you're thinking about. And at the very same time, I would request you, like before, to spread the word. The more people who compete around the world, the more you actually know how much competition is out there. So that'll be more fun, right? Okay, so challenge 3A, and I call this Never Judge a Packet by its Type. So what is this challenge all about? Well, I'm giving you a simple trace file which you can download from the description below. There's a link there. And all you have to do is it contains a shared key authentication exchange of both the challenge text as well as the encrypted response in the form of packets. You have to try and retrieve the web key using just these two packets, right? And this is actually similar to one of the challenges which you've done before, but there's just a very small twist, right? And if at all you have to go ahead and use any kind of dictionary attack, well, as previously conveyed, you have everything available on Backtrack. I don't expect you to score around the internet to find a new dictionary, right? So let's quickly look at how this trace file looks like. Launch Wireshark with challenge 3A, and you would notice that there are two packets, one containing the challenge text sent by the access point and the other is response by the client containing the encrypted response, right? What I can assure you is that there was an authentication success, in the sense the client did know the web key, and so please go ahead and find that web key. Now let's move on to the next challenge. Challenge 3B, and I call this Never Send a Noob to Do a Hacker's Job. So what is this about? Well, a lot of you did the previous challenge, I think the first one, where you kind of decrypted the packet and found the web key with just one data packet, right? And this is something you bragged about to your noob apprentice. And the next time you got an assessment request from the retail shop next to the previous ones which you had done in challenge 1, you send your noob apprentice down there, and what he does is he collects just one data packet, because you said you could crack it with just one, with a tiny glitch. Well, he's a noob and he's still learning Wireshark, and mistakenly he goes ahead and sets the limit each packet to field, which actually limits the size of the actual capture size of the packet. So now what you have is a truncated encrypted data packet, right? Just one packet and truncated. And so my question is, well, first, can you find the web key with just this? If so, what is the web key, right? So let's quickly look at how the trace file looks like. Already have it. So what had basically happened is, I'll just open up how I created the file. By mistake, your noob apprentice actually went ahead and enabled limit each packet to and entered some arbitrary size. And unfortunately, because of this, all the data packets which were captured are truncated, right? As you can clearly see here, packet size limited during capture. So what you actually get in this challenge is just one packet, and that is there in 3B. And this one packet is actually a truncated web encrypted data packet. And can you recover the web key? If yes, well, how? Right? So no hints for the time being. Let's come back to the presentation. So these are the two challenges which are part of challenge 3, A and B, which is never judge a packet by its type and then never send a noob to do a hacker's job. So moving on, quick announcements. So last time we announced the 12 tasks of Hercules, the mega security challenge, and of course it's going to be on. A couple of people pointed out to me that the DEF CON CTF initial rounds are going to happen in early June. So I think we'll have this probably in June second week or later. I am trying to find sponsors. So any of you who work for companies who have security products or anything, please get in touch with me. I'm not looking for a couple of $1,000s. All I'm looking for is probably around $500, $600 to sponsor 2 or 3 prizes for the first 3 spots, I guess. Right? So please write to me if you have any interesting ideas also for any of these tasks or anything else you may want to mention about this mega challenge. Apart from that, while you're at challenge 3A and 3B for the next 1 week, well, the saga continues. I'm going to be taking up WPA, WPA2, Personal Enterprise, .1x, Radius, Leap, and whatnot. So saddle up. WPA, WPA2 security or insecurity, whatever you want to call it, is definitely more complicated than web. So it's going to be an interesting month. And that's all. Enjoy the challenge. Post comments down there to brainstorm with the community. And the first person, as always, to send an email with me with the solutions is declared the winner. That's all. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.